And Nepal's newly appointed interim Prime Minister Sushila Karki addressed the nation on Thursday, confirming that preparations for the country's general elections are progressing smoothly. She appealed to citizens to participate in the upcoming election to amend the constitution through the constitutional process. Meanwhile, in a press conference on Thursday, Minister for Physical Infrastructure and Transport Kulman Ghising announced publicly about the establishment of a high-level committee and a fund to facilitate the reconstruction of infrastructure damaged during the Gen Z protest of September 8th and 9th. Ghising confirmed that the government had suffered significant losses due to arson, vandalism and violence during the protests. With an estimated cost of over 200 billion Nepali rupees in damages, the government is working to assess the full extent of destruction.
यस जटिल परिस्थितिमा मुलुकलाई निकास दिन आगामी फागुन 21 गते भित्रै स्वतन्त्र निष्पक्ष भयरहित वातावरणमा निर्वाचन सम्पन्न गर्न सरकारले आवश्यक पर्ने जनशक्ति, बजेट, निर्वाचन सामग्री, सुरक्षा र कानुनी व्यवस्था लगायतका विषयमा निर्वाचन आयोगका पदाधिकारीहरूसँग छलफल गरी आम निर्वाचनको प्रारम्भिक कार्य सुरु गरिसकेको छ। 18 वर्ष मुनि पुगेका जेनजी युवा पुस्तालाई मताधिकार प्रदान गर्ने र मतदाता नामावली अद्यावधिक गर्ने गरी विद्यमान निर्वाचन कानुनलाई अध्यादेशको माध्यमबाट